In my opinion, imported forms is one of the best enhancements to this release of Revit. Let's take a look and see what I mean. From your startup screen, click on Open Family, browse to your Chapters folder, and under Chapter 2, open the file Chapter 2 AHU Start. In previous releases of Revit, we could import 3D elements from existing CAD formats. Whether this was an AutoCAD file or a SketchUp file, we could bring those in. What we couldn't do, however, was explode them, as exploding them would take them down to their base elements, which were usually 2D lines, arcs and circles. From your Insert tab, click on Import CAD. Browse back to your Chapter 2 folder and select the ahu.skp file. This is a SketchUp file. I'm going to change the colours to black and white. Select all the layers. Use Auto Detect for the import units, and for positioning, I'll use Centre to Centre. Click on Open. Here we can see the plan view of the air handling unit. Click on your default 3D view, and we can see the 3D model. Selecting it, Revit informs us on the Properties palette that this is indeed an import symbol, which is the ahu.skp. In previous versions, the only thing we would have been able to do would be to place connectors on the appropriate faces. What we can do here, however, is select the form and click on Explode. Exploding the form still retains its shape. It's now a free-form element with grips that we can control. If we were to develop this family further, we could add reference planes and parameters to control the free-form shape within certain limits. This has some great advantages, as we can now reuse existing content, which can now be manipulated and changed into a parametric form.